Have you ever seen adverts related to fairness creams or using some kind of product and achieving drastic results in a span of 1 week? I'm Dr. Nika Goyal, Chief Consultant Dermatologist and Hair Transplant Surgeon at Soul Derma Clinic, New Delhi. Today, I'll tell you all about these fairness creams and what they're actually doing to your skin. Now, we have to understand that a lot of these creams are heavily marketed and we find so much of misinformation related to them. They can be very harmful for you. Now, it doesn't mean that every single cream available out there is bad for your skin, but we do have to understand why you're looking to achieve fairness. The skin type you're born with is usually the skin type you will stay. So maybe some products to some extent will help to lighten or brighten your skin, but they cannot completely change your skin type. And if they're doing that, they're probably also harming your skin. So some of the common products that we used to see in the market previously, they contain steroids and hydroquinone, and they still do. Even though these are not over-the-counter medications in various concentrations, many of the creams have these hidden ingredients. A lot of products I've been seeing, some patients come from salons or other places, they've been given creams which have, without any kind of label, without any kind of information about what they contain, but visibly we can see complete side effects of steroids and hydroquinone, like facial hair growth, acne, bleaching of the skin. So we kind of initially enjoy those effects. We like the fact that the skin looks brighter or fairer. But as you continue to use those creams, you start becoming very dependent on it the way you would get dependent on a drug. So what I usually tell my patients is this is almost like a drug for your skin, and it's creating dependency, because when you stop using the medicine, you start looking darker, duller, you suddenly get an outbreak of pimples, a lot of facial hair. So we need to understand that these medicines are creating a dependency. They're not actually helping you, and you'll realize over time the skin barrier is damaged. The skin will look red, itchy, irritated, flaky. It'll look kind of abnormally fair. Like it won't look like a natural lightened or brightened skin. It'll just look like a very strangely over-bleached skin. So ideally, if you are someone that has been a victim or fallen prey to these creams, please stop, meet your dermatologist, because when we stop cold turkey, you can suddenly develop a lot of acne, irritation, dullness, darkness. So there is a way to gradually stop. You have to hydrate yourself well, drink well, eat well, moisturize well, protect the skin with sunscreen. Consider adding oral antioxidants after speaking to your doctor. This would really help. If you're someone that has been tempted to add on a fairness cream, please reconsider. I would suggest that it's always better to meet your doctor, get a skincare routine, consider basic in-clinic procedures. If you can't go for a procedure, if you're not consistent, you don't have the time, maybe you don't want to make that investment, that's okay. There are also routines and products that you can use that would help you. But I would strongly recommend to steer clear of any false advertising or any kind of products that are falsely claiming to make your skin lighter by a various number of shades. This is not true. We are born with a certain type of skin and we can improve it to some extent, but we cannot go from one shade to the other with a basic cream. If you know someone that has been a victim to these fairness creams, or if you have any kind of friends or family that struggle with their skin tone and skin color, please share this video with them. It may be able to help them. You can like the video and subscribe to my channel.